Alright, I'm doing a vid on this Apeman action camera I got. It's a 4K A77. It worked out to be about 69 bucks on Amazon Canadian, and it came with quite a bit of different attachments. A remote for basically you have still shots to start the video camera, etc. A good underwater case, protective case. The camera itself looks to be interesting, very small. I guess you could use it as a dash cam as well. You do need to get an extra SD card for it, 32 gig for this version anyways. There's a few versions. I think there's like 4 or 5 of the Apeman 4K action cameras. The reason I got it was I was thinking it would help out with kind of into fishing and stuff like that, so I think I was gonna try to do some more fishing videos and try to get a little bit better footage. It's always kind of unstable, so I guess this little camera has the electronic stabilization, which makes a big difference. I'll do a follow-up on how good it is. The real reason I'm doing this video is because I racked and researched my brain out to try to find a cheaper solution to the GoPro, and I come to this decision. There was one other camera that was really good, but it didn't come with the accessories, and it worked out to be about $55 US, and it was a Y Lite, and I guess it has even gyro stabilization, but you'd have to get an extra kit, which I did. I did get an extra kit, like accessory kit, with this one, and as I look back on it now, for the price that I paid for it, everything together was about $100. I bought the wrong memory card, so you know that's another thing that you really have to pay attention to is when you're researching which action camera to buy. Make sure to research the part of what memory card to buy. I bought the wrong one, so I wasted $20. I have a really good memory card that won't fit this, and basically you could use it for another application, I guess, so it's not a waste. It's just you do need a 32 SD micro SD card for that. So one thing I was looking at is the batteries too. Was another bonus compared to why I bought it. Was that it comes with 2 batteries, which is, I guess, the recording time on them is just crazy good. You get like 90 minutes out of it. So you know, it had the bonus factor of having a remote, the Wi-Fi. It is Wi-Fi compatible with your phone. You could basically set it up as a camera on your phone. You could turn it on with your remote or with your phone, and you could use it as like a dash cam, or just to see what you're seeing, you know. So I don't know if this is possible, but I think I'm going to try to use it as a underwater fishing camera because of the Wi-Fi. So if it can connect within, say, 12 feet of water, that would be just cool, because you know, you basically build a device that hooks up to the cover, put it in there, drop it down, and you're connected to your phone. So you can I was looking at the underwater footage on some of the other reviews on it, and it looked great. So I don't know, there's quite a bit. So I did buy this extra lot of stuff for accessories, like wristbands and floating water devices. Probably I'll never use, but you know, for the price it was, for $100, you get a lot of options for mounting, right? So what else can I say? Stay tuned. I'm gonna do an actual decent review with the camera working under different situations. I'm going to try to use it as an underwater camera for fishing as well, maybe in the summer. I want to get it working just to get it on my snowmobiles to take, for do information. Like, I've been using just my phone for a lot of the videos, and it's just, they're terrible. I'm watching these videos and they're shaky and movie, and so it was time to spend a little bit of money to try to make the videos a little bit better for everybody, and hopefully I didn't make the wrong choice. I don't think I did, because you look at a GoPro and you're looking at like $500 and over $500 Canadian for a decent GoPro. Don't get me wrong, but how much do you want to spend on something that will do the job, right? One thing I didn't like about it is the battery cover. It's pretty cheap. Like, the housing on this camera is pretty cheap, but you know what, if it works, that's fine. So I'd rather not pay $450 extra for the same thing, basically, if you get what I'm trying to say. I'm not trying to diss GoPro. I'm sure their technology is great and all that type of stuff, but from what I've researched, this is adequate for the average YouTuber, basically. So stay tuned. Hopefully this helps somebody out. Here's what I got in the box for the A77 camera. You really have to look at, when picking out an action camera, what do you need and what does it come with already, right? So I think, just as a starter, without this extra hard case and stuff like that, you can really save a lot of cash on basically $69 shipped to your door within days. It's just right on. So I so far give this at least an 8 out of 10 for price. I haven't even tried it yet, so I guess I can't really say that, but yeah, it's really good. Really impressed with it. Can't wait to try it out. There's so many possibilities with it. There was a couple extras in this accessory kit that doesn't come with it. This is basically sold separately. I wanted it for the hard case, and then I noticed on Amazon that there is one for $100 that comes with an accessory kit and a hard case. So basically, like, there's another. You have to really watch when you're buying these action cameras, is that you have to ask yourself, does it have stabilization built in? This one does. It doesn't have the greatest one. It doesn't have the gyroscope type of technology, but it still does. For the price, is good. What do you need with it? What does it come with? That's the biggest thing to research. What does the camera come with? Does it come with the case and all that for the price? So you don't have to buy this huge honking kit with stuff that you'll never use. You have to fine tune it to what you're doing, right? So I was thinking fishing, snowmobiling, working on motors and stuff like that, right? So yeah, so hopefully this long-winded review isn't it's not really a review, it's just what I bought. But if you're interested in to see how this actually functions, and for the price, was like $69. You also got to watch on Amazon. They'll have sales on there called lightning deals, and if you can find one with a lightning deal, you're gonna save quite a bit of money. So what to do though is, it'll give you an X amount of time to purchase that item when you click on the lightning deal on the item. It's best to proceed through your order versus wait till the time limit clicks out, because I probably could have got this for like $50, and I didn't, because I was trying to find what I needed and what I didn't need and all that crap. So yeah, hopefully this helps somebody out. This is the one I'm going with. I'm gonna try. So, and eventually maybe I'll get the Y Lite, depending on if this is all I need. This is all I need. If I don't, I don't, right? So I probably could have just kept using my phone, but I'm subjecting everybody to horrible videos. And yeah, so all right, stay tuned, folks. That's my my new toy, the action camera Apeman 4K A77. Okay, oh yeah, the 4K stands for the new technology that the TVs will be using or already used. I have 1080p, so I think 1080 is pretty damn good from what I hear. So I think the 4K is really not necessary, but I guess it depends on how serious you are with this. I don't see myself using more than 1080p because I don't have a you know a TV that actually even can read it. So that is the technology that is coming up. So if you want to, I guess, get on board with that, I don't know. It's I think the 1080p is the way to go. So also when you're picking them out, you'll get a smoking deal on the 1080p versus the 4K in an action cam. So I'm gonna try it out. So the other selling feature was the 2 batteries. So we got, you know, two good batteries, 90-minute battery life at 1080p. That's a lot of recording, you know, like for two little batteries. So yeah, quite happy with it. Came with everything you need really to get started. However, it didn't come with a I guess what you could say a suction cup dashboard holder on your vehicle, say, that, you know, you suction cup it to the dashboard, point it out like for a dash cam. But it did come with the housing, right? And it does have clips where you could actually mount that to your dashboard. So, you know, that would work too, right? So yeah, so it's all on how you can orchestrate it, basically. All right, stay tuned, subscribe. More long-winded action cam stuff coming up.